I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select trigger, which is bricks. To successfully integrate with bricks, select Custom from the Form's Actions setting. Now navigate Bricks Page Builder, where use the form. Now select the form, click Action from the left sidebar, then select the Custom from drop-down. Click the Save icon to save the setting. Now navigate Integration Page, select a form. Click Next. Search and select WP Webhooks. Give here a webhook URL, so go to the WP Webhooks dashboard. Then navigate to the automation. Create flow. Give here meaning flow's name. Edit it. Choose a trigger. Webhooks. Continue. Copy the trigger URL and paste it on the integration site. Body. Send all data. Choose payload application/JSON. Test webhook. Webhook executed successfully. Here is an advanced feature in conditional logic. You can use it for your requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Then go to your WP Webhooks site. Continue and save it. Choose data type. Get log data. Choose a log. Here is the executed data. Finish trigger. Choose an action. I am choosing WordPress. Choose an action. Create user. Continue. Now map the respective fields. Continue and save fields. Choose a data type. Fire actions. Action fired successfully. Finish action. Scroll up and set the status as active. And save it. Now go to your form and type some information and submit the form. The form is successfully submitted. It appears that the user has been created successfully in WordPress. Thanks for watching.